Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those, as you can see, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, wrong pin entered. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. You can see the phone is locked. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off the smartphone, tap on power off and tap to power it off. Okay, now after it, press and hold the volume up and power key together like this. Press and hold it. Now release the power key and press the volume up key and release. And here you can see XOS, no command. Here you can see. Now here simply press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. Here you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Now the volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now you are in Android recovery mode. Here you can see. So now here simply go to wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm. You can see okay, data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is a method to hard reset Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.